Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Faridabad. It is from Haryana. So I am going to include the job updates in this video for both the freshers and experienced candidates. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are openings for Node.js developer, software developer position. It is for a top IT company. So the working days would be only 5 days. So salary would be best in the industry. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for the client relation and inside sales. So it is from Franchise India Holdings Limited. So they are offering a salary would be 25,000 rupees per month and it would be fixed, and along with this you are going to get the incentives. It would be up to 20,000 rupees per month, and also annual retention bonus will be there. So qualification would be any graduates or post graduation, both are eligible to apply. So you can check here with the rest of the skills mentioned here, and it is for both freshers and experienced candidates. So he's having the good communication skills. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings from Dean Infotech. So they are hiring for the interns for tech support. So this will be a 6 months internship with a small stipend. So the candidates from Faridabad will be preferred for this internship. So interested candidates, if you are suitable, if you are looking for this type of opportunity, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Extensions Technologies Private Limited. So they are hiring for the following positions for the freshers and also experienced candidates. So the job roles would be Business Development Executive, Digital Marketing and Content Marketing, JavaScript Developer, Telesales Python Developer, SQL Developer, ERP Next Functional Consultant and Techno Functional Consultant, Frappy developer, Joho developer, Flutter developer, and customer support. So these are the job roles are available. So if you are interested to apply for the positions mentioned here, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Geek Informatics. So they are hiring for the NEEM trainee on stipend. So they are looking for the fresh engineering graduates with a flair of sales and good communication skills. So BE in mechanical, electrical and civil departments. So these candidates, that is 2021 passed out students, are eligible to apply for these positions. So the contract duration would be 12 months, I mean 1 year, and it will be extendable up to another 12 months. So you should have your own two-wheeler, so it would be must. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for these internships from Greek Informatic, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from International Shoe Band. So they are hiring for the fashion consultant, customer service associate. So any graduates with good communication skills and having the experience from footwear, fashion, apparel, sports and retail brands are preferred for these positions. So freshers and up to 8 years of experience candidates both are eligible to apply for these positions, and they are going to offer a salary would be 21,000 rupees per month, and along with this salary you are going to get the incentives per month. So the candidates should have good communication skills and looking forward to work in the retail industry can also be considered. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, so you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Dean Infotech. So they are hiring for the interns for tech support. So pursuing technical graduates and postgraduates are eligible to apply for these internships. So you are going to get the stipend would be 5,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, if you are looking for this type of opportunity, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there are openings available from ATS Service Private Limited. So they are hiring for the executive or senior executive for business to customer collection. So the qualification would be 12 pass graduation, and like your CTC would be depends on your experience and also based on your interview. So freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for these positions, and it would be day shift and no transport service will be provided for these positions. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for the Glam Plus. So they are hiring for the field sales executive, BDM and senior PDM. So freshers and up to 2 years of experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for these positions, and your CTC would be 2 to 2.5 lakhs per annum, and you should have some industry experience in SaaS, software sales and .com sales. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for the accountant or branch accounting. So the candidates should have the following qualifications to apply for these positions. Like you should have sound knowledge and practical exposure of Tally, and also good knowledge of computer and Excel, and you should have knowledge of import and export and knowledge of branch accounting, and also moreover you should have good communication skills in Hindi and English. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the mentioned mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from K Cloud Technologies world of Salesforce Cloud. So they are hiring for the positions mentioned here, such as Salesforce developer, experienced and freshers both. And next one for Salesforce quality analyst. This is also for both candidates like experienced and fresher. And also they are hiring for the HR interns. So it is for fresher graduates. And next one for Salesforce business analyst, it is also for experienced and fresher candidates. Next one for accountant, it is for only experienced candidates. Next one for web developer, sorry, web designer, both are same. So it is for 1 year of experienced candidates. Next one for Salesforce admin. So it is for both freshers and experienced candidates who is having the good communication skills, and it is for 1 year of experienced candidates. So next one at last one for Salesforce consultant. This is for only experienced candidates. So interested candidates, if you are looking for this type of job roles and if you want to apply for the any of the positions mentioned here, you can share your resume to the mentioned mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.